Hope you already train your ears. You can listen real. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And now high 10. High 10. Switch. Because I have more steps for you. Yeah. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, you missed 7. It's okay. It's okay. Let's do it. Get away. Wait. 5, 6, go. 5, 3. 5, 6. Eiffel Tower. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Okay, high 10. So now goal, you're gonna do 2 times 7. Basic, when I say 7, do Eiffel Tower. And keep the rhythm as you do that. So that's we training. She like Paris. Yeah, that's right. So come closer, I can control it. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5. One more. That was too late. That's why you want to lift your arm on 7. Watch. Cheek, 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 cheek. See, earlier. I'm turning earlier. You did like this. You here, and then you have to start turning. That's too late. So earlier. That's why I said 7. We lift the leg. One more time. Almost there. 2 turns now we need. Come closer. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Keep dancing. 3, 7. Yeah. Excellent. Give each other high 10. Now, the key, change partners. So the key for you, when you want to lead to the turn, the key for you, do it earlier. So I'll demonstrate. I go 1, 2, 3. See, I'm already here lifting. Now, what you guys do a little bit, you're doing 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's become now. So it's like you almost do like 2 steps ahead. So even like before I say 7, already start lifting. And now, where your partner feel more fun and comfort dancing with you, when you lift arm like this unexpected, or when the arm gradually lifted. So she's more prepared. So gradual is best. So you have to do it earlier. So you go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So now, okay, we're gonna lift arm on 6, but don't lift fast. We're not gonna. When I say 6, your arm shouldn't be here. We start 6, 7, 6. No, 6, 7. So it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. And so now here you're just like having fun. Let's try. So when you hear me 6, start, not finish. Start, lifting the arm. Stay closer. 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Let's come back to the step. What was our basic step? Let's do step with me. Go 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So our step doesn't change. And soften knees. 5, 6, 7. That's why we spend so much time and we have to spend more on doing basic. Now it's more difficult for you because you have to keep your rhythm and you have to lead. So it's double multitasking. But I believe in you guys, you can do it. So let's try. We're going for the 2 turns starting on 6.